The 10 elements of the spa experience. The International Spa Association, or the ISPA, Education Committee developed the 10 elements of the spa experience. Their goal was to help define the elusive and ever-changing nature of the spa experience and to create a foundation, a common language, and career path for the emerging spa professional. The first element, waters. The internal and external use of water in its many forms. Water is the heart of the spa experience. Fundamentally transforming, it is used for cleansing and purifying, externally through compresses, showers, bathing and swimming, and internally through drinking. Second element, nourishment, what we feed ourselves. How do we feed ourselves to maximize our vitality? It begins with an understanding of food, nutritional supplements, medicine, and herbs in relation to our body type, body rhythms, environment, season, age, and culture. Next element, movement. Movement pertains to vitality and energy through movement, exercise, stretching, and fitness. How might a spa embrace different kinds of movement, from aerobic and cardiovascular exercise to yoga, walking meditation, and dance? This element also refers to a client's posture and intrinsic demeanor, transitioning from one spa treatment to another. Next element, touch. It means connectivity and communication through touch, massage, and bodywork. Touch is not only one of the most profitable services in the spa, it is the heart of helping people to enhance vitality and growth from within, whether physical, emotional, and spiritual. Next element, integration. It is the relationship between mind, body, spirit, and environment. Located in the center of the circle, this element is the ousia, or essence of the 10 elements. Ousia, which is Greek in origin, is a concept that describes the search for true self, the pure connection of mind, body, spirit, and environment. Process-oriented in nature, ousia is the search for self in connection to something greater than self. Next element, aesthetics, the appreciation of an active search for beauty. Spa aesthetics involves our concept of beauty and how natural agents relate to the biochemical components of the body. The goal is to connect and understand the relationship between physical health, external beauty, and healthy culture. Environment. It pertains to location, weather patterns, water quality, natural agents, and social responsibility. Environment is our place on the planet. A healthy environment is critical to healthy living. This element explores the interrelationship between the spa experience and the local and global environment. Cultural expression, the scientific, political, and spiritual belief systems of the time, the healing power of the arts, broad yet basic in scope. The eighth element embraces the science, politics, belief systems, and cultural appreciation of the arts in the spa experience. Social contribution. It is the cycle of giving and receiving. Commerce, volunteer efforts, and intention as they relate to well-being. What is our life's work? What is our heart's passion? There are at least two ways we are rewarded or satisfied by our work. One is monetary, the other is giving of oneself. This element explores the exchange or energy, including commerce and volunteerism, between service provider, client, spa, and community. Time-space rhythms. The perception of space and time and its relationship to natural cycles. The 10th element, encircling all the others, is actually metaphorical in nature, as is the fifth element in the middle. It holds all the others as a vessel from which the other domains interrelate and reflect each other. This element embraces the seasons and rhythms of the human experience, incorporating everything from the life cycle and biorhythms to chronobiology. The most important, perhaps, is the idea of integration. Everything is connected. Feeling beautiful, feeling joyous, feeling healthy, and feeling energetic are signs of a balanced life. A balanced life requires both reflection and action. Spas provide a space where clients can experience each element represented in the image and reflect on its presence or absence in their lives. Movement and touch is an appreciation of beauty. It is also our connection to the environment, cultural expression, social contribution, the healing quality of water, and nourishment, both of the body and the soul, are the essential concepts on which spa is founded. The spa experience can be life-changing. Far from being just a luxury, spa therapy represents the first bold step toward a better form of healthcare. Its future is in the hands of those dedicated therapists and visionary spa owners who have the ability to provide a space where clients can experience, balance, and celebrate life while receiving exceptional care.